What is up, everybody? Welcome back. So yeah, you can still see it clear. Hold on. So I got some bad news. My gasket for I have to put my downpipes on there. My gasket on my exhaust split into two, so it's just getting on my nerve with the rattling noise. I mean, but the exhaust still sounds good, but I just can't stand the rattling noise. It's annoying. I will show y'all how it looks and like what all needs to be done. Also, there was a bolt missing, and just more and more of a mess. And then also I actually contact I think Injukin or I can never pronounce it right. But anyways, the ISR Y pipes, test pipes I'm planning to get. There's a delay on their stock, so I won't get those for another 2 weeks if I can find one in the store, a gasket. If not, I'll just order it. I already ordered it online. If I can find one in the store, I'll just stop my order from there. So hopefully I can find one. It's just the hard part. It sucks. So today I had to put a bolt in because my car has been rattling like there was something loose. So basically it was an exhaust leak, and as you can see on this side, that bolt is missing as well. So today I'll be doing this, trying to bought some bolts at a store so I can at least fit it right in there, because the other ones I guess fell off after I first got it done. I realized that, and I noticed the sound under my car started becoming more and more louder. So now I got that bolt in. I can put that bolt back together, and then I got all this set back up. It was a hard mess. Alright, what's going on, everybody? So this week has been a stressful week. Waiting on my apparently I have an exhaust leak, and I just kept hearing noises every time I get ready to head to work. I was like, what is all this noise? I've been up on my car almost every day to see, like, first to figure out where is it coming from, and finally I did not buy the right bolt, which it pretty much melted. The threads melted in there, so I couldn't get it out. I was, like I said, I was really frustrated trying to get it out. I was like, this is aggravating. So hopefully I contacted people about the gasket and see if well, I pretty much ordered one, but apparently I didn't order the right one. So I contacted the person and I was like, hey, I'm looking for this gasket, and apparently it's not on their site, but he went ahead and put it on order for me. So I'm just waiting on to get it now. So now waiting on the right one to come in. So, but what I went ahead is went to the store, bought another bolt. This time I was reading carefully, getting the right one to deal with high temp. So I got another one, put it right on there. Haven't had any issues since then. That noise I've been listening to is not as bad. Well, I personally really don't hear it. I really don't hear it anymore. But I'm still going to replace that gasket because the gasket is still no good. So I want to get that all done at the same time. And then also I found out about my mid pipe. The guy emailed me. I was asking, okay, they told me they I might not receive it until like the first week of August, or probably the second week, in which it is. I mean, I'm really looking forward for this pipe, this mid pipe, but at the same time, I know I need to be patient about it. Yeah, but I really need to be patient about this mid pipe. So I'm not sitting here like getting all frustrated, because there's no point in being all frustrated. As bad as I really want it, and I really want to go ahead and get it installed, but like I said, patience is the number one thing. But alright, guys, I'll catch y'all later. I'm going ahead and start focus on driving, and I'll see y'all again. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, Alright guys, until next time,